Yeah. So here it is. Some solutions are done here. You can check it out. Okay. So solution of e raised to power dy by dx is equal to x. E raised to power dy by dx. If we know, we know that if we apply log here, this e will get cancelled out, right? So we'll apply log both sides. So first we'll write the question over here. E raised to power dy by dx is equal to x. Is equal to x. Right? So apply log. Apply log. So log of e dy by dx is equal to log x. So this dy by dx will come separately out. So dy by dx is equal to log x. Integrate both sides with respect to x. This will become y. This is 1 into integral 1 into log x dx. So this will be, इसको डेराइवेट कर देंगे, 1 को इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. This will be x log x. While derivating this using by parts, this will be 1 by x into x. So in minus integral dx, that is minus x plus c. Y is equal to x comma log of 1 x minus 1 plus c. Order and degree of 1 plus y dash का whole square is equal to y double dash. Now what is y dash? Y dash is nothing but dy by dx, and what is y double dash? Dy by dx, d2y by dx2. So here is your order. Order is highest order derivative. So order will be your 2. And what will be your degree? Degree will be highest power raised to highest order derivative. Whatever here it is, we don't need that. We just need our highest power, highest order derivative, and that is 2. Nothing is raised, no power is raised to it, so it will just be 1. So degree is 1. Here is your answer. था ना बच्चों का सवाल? Sorry, here it is dy by dx. तो y is equal to x dy by dx by 2 upon में dy by dx. Right. So for doing this question, we just need to multiply dy by dx both the sides. So here it will be y dy by dx is equal to x. When we multiply dy by dx, already here it is dy by dx, so it will get dy by dx whole square. Yeah, plus into dy by dx, this will cancel out to remaining is 2 only here. So y dy by dx is equal to x dy by dx, so whole square plus 2. Yeah, so this dy by dx whole square is nothing but this is the degree. Degree means highest power raised. Highest power raised to. And what is the degree? That is 1. Yeah, sorry, order. So order is 1 and degree is the highest power raised to highest order derivative, that is 2. So degree is 2. Yeah, now moving to our degree and order of differential equation 1 plus y1 whole square raised to power 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to y2. Now those who don't know about this y1 and y2 coefficient, it just means y1 is nothing but dy by dx and y2 is nothing but, this is y1, huh? And y2 is nothing but d2y by dx2. d2y by dx2. Understood? By dx whole square raised to power 2 by 3. When we will cube, so this will become 1 plus dy by dx, and this is square also. Okay, so dy by dx square का whole square is equal to, is equal to, whole square is equal to d2y by dx2, d2y by dx2 whole raised to power 3. whole raised to power 3. So, as we can see, the order is highest order derivative, and that is 2. And degree is the highest power raised to highest order derivative, that is 3. So, m is 3a, that is degree, plus order by degree minus order, that is 5 is your answer. Five is your answer. So here is your next question, bonus question. Huh? So 1 plus 1 minus x square minus x square y square, okay, is equal to dy by dx. These are some of the common questions. Either you will get in this way or you will get in like this: 1 minus x minus y plus xy, or 1 plus x plus y plus xy. Both means this is 1 minus x, y plus xy is 1 minus x into 1 minus y, that is 1 minus x minus y plus xy. Similarly 1 plus x plus, so you just need to learn these formulas, okay? Just check it out in the Telegram. Description is given in the description. Oh sorry, link is given in the description box. So this question, what happened? Yeah. Square minus 1 minus y square by dx. So taking y term here, x term here, so integral 1 minus x square dx is equal to integral dy upon में 1 minus y square, right? Integrating you will get these answer, okay? You can check it out using all formulas, simple only. Dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to power tan inverse x, right? So this is a case of linear functions, yeah. So do nothing, लगा दो दोनों साइड 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर से डिवाइड कर दो, तो ये हो जाएगा डी वाई बाई डी एक्स. पेन चेंज कर लेते हैं. डी वाई बाई डी एक्स प्लस वाई अपॉन में 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ई रेज टू पावर tan इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स बाई 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. Now take integrating factor. What will be the integrating factor? E raised to power 1 plus x square, या 1 अपॉन में कर दो इसका इंटीग्रल. What is it? E raised to power tan inverse x. You will get it out. Yeah. So what is it? E raised to power tan inverse of x integral dy is equal to integral, when you will multiply here it will get e raised to power tan inverse of x into e raised to power tan inverse x, that will be e raised to power 2 tan inverse of x, right? Properties yaar. So e raised to power 2 tan inverse of x by 1 plus, take tan inverse of x is equal to t इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स डॉट वाई इज इक्वल टू ई रेस्ट पावर 2t dt. यहाँ से मैंने dt वैल्यू निकाल ली थी, ठीक है. हाफ इंटू ई रेस्ट पावर 2 tan इनवर्स ऑफ एक्स प्लस सी. दिस विल बी द आंसर. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज क्लास. मिलते हैं आपसे अगली क्लास में. कल होगी एनडी की PYQs एंड देन मंडे टू फ्राइडे अगेन 10th क्लास का. सो हैव अ नाइस डे, टेक केयर.